говорит и показывает Москва.
Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin is a Russian politician and former intelligence officer who has served as president of Russia since 2012, and in this video I am discussing about top 10 most expensive things owned by Vladimir Putin. Number 1. A golden toilet. Vladimir Putin has widely been accused of acquiring his wealth through unsavory means and using it. He owns a golden toilet which worth about $75,000. In India, 56.72 lakh rupees. Number 2. Expensive suit. Putin loves to wear expensive suit. His favorite are those made by Italian menswear company Brioni. All of his suits are estimated to be worth around at least $5,000 each. In India, 3.78 lakh rupees. Number 3. $1 million watch collection. The Russian president annual salary is estimated to be around $112,000, but that hasn't stopped him from buying an expensive watch. The watch Putin wears is estimated to be around $500,000 each. In India, 3.78 crore rupees, and he also gives watches to his family members which worth about $15,000. Number 4. Mi-8s helicopter. The Russian president is said to prefer helicopter over cars which cost around $4 million. In India, 30.25 crore rupees. Number 5. Putin car collection. Putin owns estimated 700 vehicles in his garage, including vintage Bentleys, supercar Lamborghini and Ferrari, and he is currently using Everest Senate limousine. The cost of the car is $1.2 million. In India, 9.07 crore rupees. Number 6. $35 million yacht. The yacht was gifted by Chelsea Football Club of the English Premier League owner oligarch Roman Abramovich. In India, the cost of the yacht is 264 crore rupees. Number 7. $100 million yacht. The yacht has 13 cabins that can accommodate 12 guests and 14 crew members, and has the largest pool ever installed on a yacht. The cost of the yacht in India is 756 crore rupees. Number 8. Ilyushin 96 gold-plated plane. The cost of the plane is $500 million. In India, 3,781 crore rupees. The interior of the plane is gold-plated by Russian artisan for $11 million. Number 9. Palace Villas and Residence. Putin owns 20 palace villas and residence, and he also owns 200,000 square foot 10-bedroom mansion which costs around more than $100 million. In India, 756 crore rupees. Number 10. Putin art collection, which costs around $2 billion. In India, 15,125 crore rupees.